To install Postgres, search for Postgres download. Let's go to the downloads. And over here, you can select your OS. And in this page, you see the small link over here in the top corner. Click on this, download the installer. Now this is one way to install the Postgres database. The second way to install the Postgres database is downloading the binary and unzipping it. I'm going to do it the second way, but either way is just fine. To download the binary file, go to the URL shown here. And here I'm going to select the Windows version. I'm creating a new folder called DB in my dev directory. And I downloaded the Postgres binary zip file in the dev DB folder. Now open up command prompt by going to Windows CMD. Right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Go to the directory where you have the binaries. And in this place, enter this command. The command you should enter over here is *-xf and the binary zip file name. Now press enter. This will unzip the zip file. Once unzipped, you will see this folder pgsql over here. Go to the bin folder, copy this path, and we need to add this path to our environment variable. Go to env, edit the environment variables of your account, path, edit, new, and add this path right here. Click on OK and click on OK. To verify if Postgres has been installed successfully, let's close this, open the command prompt again. And in the command prompt, type in Postgres space -v. And you can see that Postgres 16.3 has been installed. Now that we have verified that we have the database server installed, let us now create a database in the database server. To do that, enter this command, initdb space -d space the location of the database /data space -u for the user ID, Postgres, and this is the encoding. Press enter. So you can see that the database has been created. So this confirms the database has been set up. Now to start the database, run this command right here. They would give this command. Take a note of this command. Copy this, paste it right here and start it, and also save this command and then click enter to start the database. So here you can see that the database server has been started. Now open Notepad. In the first line, type in echo off and paste the start command right here and save this file as a .bat file in your desktop. So here you can see that I am saving it as a start_postgres.bat file. So that going forward, if you want to start the Postgres database, you just have to double click on this file. Let's click save. So this is the command to start the database, and you can run the same command with stop over here to stop the database. So now that the database has been started, let's go and take a look at the database. The database admin is located in this folder in pgSQL. Select pgAdmin4, double click on runtime, and here you can see the pgAdmin4 exe. This is the UI for our Postgres database. Make sure to select the pgAdmin4, right click, and pin to taskbar. so that at any given point of time, you can just come here and select this database right here. So let's click and start this. So now that we have the pgAdmin4 tool open, go to servers, right click on the servers and click on register server. Over here, you can give any name to the server. I'm going to give the name as my Postgres. Next, click on connections and give the host name as localhost. And make note of the port number. The default port number is 5432 and we're going to keep it as it is. 5432, very easy to remember. The username, let it be Postgres. And for the password, I'm going to give the same as the username so that it's easier to remember. So my password is going to be Postgres. Easy for me to remember. I'm going to say save password so that I don't have to enter the password every time I start this. It is local to my computer, so I'm fine with the security part of this. And now let's click on save. So we now have a Postgres server created. And by default, there seems to be a Postgres database. If you want to run queries on this database, you can just select this database right here and click on this query tool. And here you can write your queries. You can see that it is connected to the Postgres database right here. And the tables will be over here. So this completes the installation of the Postgres database.